combinations of basic multiplication, division, addition and subtraction. When a question involves a mix of functions, read the question carefully and apply what you know step by step. 7 pencils cost £1.68. 3 pencils and 2 rubbers cost £1.10. How much would 9 pencils cost? First, you have to understand what the question is asking you to do. Work out the cost of 1 pencil, so it's £1.68 divided by 7. And then multiply that answer by 9 to get the cost of 9 pencils. We can ignore the rubbers. £1.68 divided by 7. We put the decimal in the same place in the answer and start dividing. 1 divided by 7 is 0 with a remainder of 1. 16 divided by 7 is 2 with a remainder of 2. And 28 divided by 7 equals 4. So each pencil costs 24 pence. Now we need to multiply that by 9. So 0.24 multiplied by 9. We put the decimal place in the same place in the answer and then start multiplying. 9 multiplied by 4 is 36, 6 and carry 3 forward. 9 times 2 is 18, plus the 3 carried forward is 21. We write the 1 and carry 2 forward. 9 times 0 is 0, plus the 2 is 2. So 9 pencils cost £2.16. Sometimes you might have to interpret a chart first. The number of stars a child receives is equal to the number of points halved minus bad behaviour crosses. How many stars will Olivia get on her chart? What's the question asking you to do? First, find Olivia on the chart. She's here. Now we need to halve her points. To get the number of stars, it's half times 260 and then subtract 15 crosses. So 260 times 1/2 is the same as 260 divided by 2. If we divide both the top and the bottom by 2, we're left with 130. So she'd have 130 stars minus the bad behaviour crosses, minus 15. So Olivia will get 115 stars. Questions can involve a mix of functions and units. The concert has a capacity of 40,000 people. Each ticket costs £22.50. How much money will be generated from ticket sales if the show was 75% sold out? What's the question asking you to do? Find the number of people who bought tickets, 75% of 40,000. Then multiply that answer by £22.50, the cost of each ticket. 75% times 40,000 is 75 divided by 100 times 40,000. Divide the top and the bottom by 25 and then divide the top and the bottom by 4. So we're left with 3 times 10,000 or 30,000. Now we need to multiply the number of people that bought tickets by £22.50. 30,000 is the same as 10,000 times 3. So we can multiply £22.50 first by 3. We put the decimal in the same point in the answer, then 3 times 0 is 0. 3 times 5 is 15, we write the 5 and carry 1 forward. 3 times 2 is 6, plus the 1 carried forward is 7, then 3 times 2 is 6. So we have 10,000 now times £67.50. We multiply by 10,000. There are 4 zeros in 10,000, so we move the digits 4 places to the left. £67.50, 4 places to the left, it becomes £675,000. So £675,000 was generated from ticket sales. Remember, when a question involves a mix of functions, read the question carefully and apply what you know step by step. Understand and write down what the question is asking you to do. Look for the easiest calculations to reach your answer. And don't worry if it looks complicated, Just break it down into small steps that you can do.